Two leading law firm management platforms, one big question, which one really delivers? On the left, the automation powerhouse Smokeball, and on the right, Zola Suite, a full-featured cloud-native platform for legal pros. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, here's the mind map. First up is price, then we get into automation and workflow, cloud access and mobility, accounting and billing, security and compliance, customer support and training, and finally user experience and ease of use. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so hang tight. Alright, let's start where everyone starts: money. Smokeball comes in with tiered pricing, so your entry point here is around $29 per user per month. Not bad, and you do get a fair amount included even if you're just dipping your toes in. But yeah, as you climb in features, those costs can start adding up, especially for higher plans. Oh, and something to keep in mind, you're dealing with desktop installs, so not totally cloud native yet. Zola Suite rolls with a pretty transparent structure. It's more upfront, about $65 per user per month for the core stuff. Yeah, it's steeper, but there's some cool flat fee options available if you're scaling. That said, if your team grows and you want all the modules, the add-on pricing can go bonkers. In the price battle, the win goes to Zola Suite because that structure is just clearer and it's easier to plan for growth. Next up, automation and workflow. Honestly, Smokeball is kind of famous for their automation game. If you're constantly buried in docs, their MS Word integration is like magic. They call it auto time and, let's just say it tracks time so well you might forget you ever had to manually log hours. Everything emails matters, it's all centralized. Downside, prepare for a bit of a learning curve if you want to use all the nerdy features. And yeah, desktop installs again. Zola Suite, pretty robust automation too. Document management slick and workflows tie nicely into their accounting, but if you're trying to get super granular or weirdly custom, it doesn't always play nice. So for automation, Smokeball takes the lead. That automation. Legit next level. Alright, scene change, let's talk cloud access and mobility. This one gets really interesting. Smokeball honestly plays that hybrid game. You've got a desktop app, which means you do get offline access when you need it and your files are backed up in the cloud. Not bad until you realize you can't just pop open a browser anywhere and have the same full experience. You need that app installed. Zola Suite flips the script. It's totally cloud-native, web-based access from anywhere. UI feels modern, and for anyone on the go or working remote, it's a huge win. You do sometimes get browser quirks like their Communicate tool only working in Chrome, but you work around it. So pure cloud. Zola Suite's got it hands down. Hold up, did you know? Smokeball's auto time feature can automatically capture hours that users forget to record, which has actually boosted some firms' billable time by over 30%. That's wild and honestly, kind of a game changer if you're not the best at tracking hours. Let's hit accounting and billing. Smokeball is pretty strong if you're integrating with QuickBooks, time tracking, billing, trust management, it's all there. But yeah, you do need QuickBooks for the full accounting experience, so that's kinda a deal breaker if you want things less messy. Zola Suite, on the other hand, builds legal and general ledger accounting right in. You're not stuck with outside apps, billing, trust, expenses, it's all inside the platform. Only thing. LawPay integration can feel a bit clunky sometimes, but you get by. For accounting, Zola Suite again wins it for being all-in-one and just, well, easier. Security and compliance, super important. Smokeball gives you strong encryption, customizable access controls, and solid compliance tools. Using their cloud storage helps too. You might need some extra hands at first to get the compliance stuff dialed in, but overall, it's safe. Zola Suite, reliable, trusted by a lot of growing firms, and has customizable permissions as well. Sometimes you get browser security quirks depending on which features you use, but nothing major. So, you know what? This one's actually a tie. They both nail the basics and you'll feel safe either way. Customer support and training. Smokeball offers excellent onboarding, account support, and a help desk to walk you through the basics. Some firms say the ongoing training for super complex features can feel kind of thin, especially once you're up and running. Zola Suite though, these folks crush support. Super warm staff, expert answers, and people rave about the follow-up and help customizing for your firm. The difference here is noticeable. Zola Suite's customer care just stands out as what you want when you're stuck or learning something new, so they get the win. Finishing strong with user experience and ease of use. Smokeball, it's got tons of power for advanced users and you can customize a lot, but if you're new, get ready for a learning curve. The interface is busy and can kinda overwhelm you in the beginning, not gonna lie. Zola Suite leans into that modern, intuitive UI stuff. Pretty much anyone can jump in and get productive. Document and matter management's just approachable. There are a lot of features, so you might need to poke around a little at first, but overall, it's way less intimidating. So yeah, Zola Suite takes the last win for ease of use. Now let's lay out the scores. Smokeball is definitely the automation king, but Zola Suite stacks up wins for price clarity, cloud access, in-platform accounting, customer support, and user-friendliness. You can see, depending on your priorities, it's not always an easy choice. So, end of the day, if your firm is smaller and you want killer automation, seamless document handling, and you actually like having a solid desktop setup without worrying about an internet outage, Smokeball is honestly awesome. But if you want full cloud access, built-in accounting, a modern vibe, and the kind of support where you don't need to Google every answer, Zola Suite is probably your best bet. Still on the fence? I say go hands-on, take a free trial of both and see which fits your style. And hey, if you want more honest, head-to-head tech breakdowns, hit that follow. You know I've got the legal tech scoop.